In this lecture, we're going to learn the verb lish'ol, the verb to ask in Hebrew, lish'ol. And now let's see how do we conjugate the verb lish'ol in the present tense. The verb to ask in the present tense, just like all verbs in Hebrew, has only 4 conjugations. One for masculine singular, one for feminine singular, one for masculine plural, and one for feminine plural. The verb lish'ol conjugates like so. אני שואל, אתה שואל, הוא שואל. I'm asking, you're asking, he's asking. Feminine singular. אני שואלת, את שואלת, היא שואלת. I'm asking, you're asking, she's asking. Masculine plural. אנחנו שואלים, אתם שואלים, הם שואלים. We're asking, you're asking, they're asking. Feminine plural. אנחנו שואלות, אתן שואלות, הן שואלות. We're asking, you're asking, they're asking. The verb לשאול. שואל, שואלת, שואלים, שואלות. Write down the conjugation in your notebooks, and I'll see you guys in the next lecture.